Think lightly of yourself and deeply of the world. Whatever your determination or willpower, it is foolish to try to change the nature of things. Things work the way they do because that is the way of things. The purpose of today's training is to defeat yesterday's understanding. To make anyone immediately regret insulting you, show that you are unaffected. You may abandon your own body, but you must preserve your honor. Those who can't be alone, can't be honest, can't be loyal, and can't be anything. If the enemy thinks of the mountains, attack like the sea, and if he thinks of the sea, attack like the mountains. In life you need to have no fear, no hesitation, no surprise, no doubt. Generally speaking, the way of the warrior is resolute acceptance of death. If there isn't discipline, how can there be a true realization of an ideal? Resentment and complaint are appropriate neither for oneself or others. Everything can collapse. Houses, bodies, and enemies collapse when their rhythm becomes deranged. If you know the way broadly, you will see it in everything. In time, all things work to your advantage when you pursue them with an open heart. The path that leads to truth is littered with bodies of the ignorant. Do not let the body be dragged along by mind, nor be dragged along by the body. Step by step walk the 1,000-mile road. In battle, if you make your opponent flinch, you have already won. True warriors are fierce because their training is fierce. It is difficult to understand the universe if you only study one planet. With your spirit open and unconstricted, look at things from a high point of view. Understand the harm and benefit of everything. You can only fight the way you practice. The ultimate aim of martial arts is not having to use them. There is more to life than increasing its speed. 1,000 days of lessons for discipline, 10,000 days of lessons for mastery. Do not waste time idling or thinking after you have set your goals. Today is victory over yourself of yesterday. Tomorrow is your victory over lesser men. Perceive that which cannot be seen with the eye. The only reason a warrior is alive is to fight, and the only reason a warrior fights is to win. Do nothing that is of no use. Fixation is the way to death. Fluidity is the way to life. If you do not control the enemy will control you. To know 10,000 things, know one well. Do not regret what you have done. It may seem difficult at first, but everything is difficult at first. To win any battle, you must fight as if you are already dead. You must understand that there is more than one path to the top of the mountain. Truth is not what you want it to be, it is what it is, and you must bend to its power or live a lie.